Every year, wildfires burn hundreds of thousands of wildlife all around the world. In 2023, 18.4 million hectares of Canadian wildlife burnt in wildfires. To put it in perspective, that's a landmass more than 4 times larger than the entire country of Switzerland, costing the government billions of dollars. The main challenges of fire resilience are delayed fire detection, limited coverage range of current solutions, inefficient recovery plans, and a lack of comprehensive data during wildfire rescue.
At Base Studio, we are leveraging the power of AI and robotics to fight the wildfire crisis. Our solution is an autonomous solar-powered, lighter-than-air aerial vehicle. We provide real-time surveillance and fire response analysis over extensive regions, as well as efficient and cost-effective reforestation and recovery solutions.
Together, we can save the planet,
Save lives,
and save billions of dollars of taxpayer money every year.